Okay, guys. So let's get started. So what we did in the last session, we deployed some applications um, to our virtual machine. So let's see the status. If I go to apps here and then Windows. Now, so we have deployed company portal yesterday. So that got installed in one of the machines. Then Adobe Reader, right? That is also installed in one of the machines. Then we deployed
Firefox.
Mozilla Firefox. That is also installed. Microsoft 365 application. That's also installed. Okay. Then we deployed VLC media player. I think it's available, but we haven't installed it from there. Okay. Windows Notepad. That is failed. Okay. So this application is failed. Why it failed? Let's click on this failed one. So unknown error. Okay, so this kind of issues you will always get, and then you will have to troubleshoot. Okay, so this application is failed to install on this device.
I
Okay,
think it because it's already there, so I'm not sure, but the
Notepad. Yeah,
yeah,
Notepad
Notepad.
is by default there in the device.
Yeah, I was just testing it out, so I thought it
Hmm.
was a different version of it, so maybe I was just trying to find some apps to install.
No, Notepad is not installed because it's already there in the device. Okay, try different applications. So have you
Yeah, I tried
tried?
Photoshop. Yeah,
Okay,
that's there.
okay, so that got installed. Blender,
So that's there
where
in the
is it?
package complete.
Okay, Global Protect. So these applications you made it available. Let me
Yeah,
take the. Okay, so Adobe Creative Cloud. I think it's part of Photoshop.
yeah, because it was
PowerPoint,
not there.
Word, uh, PowerPoint, Word. These are Microsoft 365 applications. Okay, so this is how we deploy applications, right? So we have some categories: computer management, company portal, photo and media, VLC media player, right? And these two applications are in productivity, Firefox and Global Protect. Sorry. Is Firefox already installed? Yes, Firefox
Yes.
is already installed. Fine. So we have deployed some applications and the applications are installing fine. Now we will see some more methods. Okay. So I'm going to click on add and when select the application type. So we have deployed application, this one. We have deployed application, this one, Windows 10 and later yesterday already the Microsoft 365 application. Now we have this one uh, Windows 10 and later for Edge browser. So if you would like to deploy Edge browser, you can deploy to Windows 10 and later. Edge browser is already there in the computer. But in case if you would like to deploy Edge browser for machines where Edge browser is not yet installed, so what you do, you choose that and rest everything will be default. Next, which version you would like to install? Stable, beta, dev. So generally we go with the stable version. Okay, beta, that's the latest one, which is not yet in production. Let me go with beta. Okay, and operating system default language. Next, and we would like to apply this. No, let me go with the available deployment, and it's gonna be Windows 10 device group, user group. Okay, so available user group. Okay, next. So Edge browser will be available in Software Center and we can install the beta version. Okay, let's see what happens. Now coming back to Windows and then add the web link. Suppose if you would like to create a shortcut link in the start menu. Okay, So we can use this method, Windows Weblink. Select. For example, I would like to add a shortcut of a website for, let's say, Amazon.com. 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 Okay. So name, Amazon. Description, publisher, Amazon. URL, sorry. Category, productivity. Okay. Information, these are, we can leave it blank. Now logo. So let's download the logo. Okay, would you like to make it available or required? Let me make it available. So it's a user group, right? So that will also be available in the software sent, I mean company portal. Okay, let me go to the this one, Weblink we have already seen, right? Line of business and Windows app. Now, most of the time you will be using these two. Okay, these are the most common ones. So in your production environment, when you have to deploy application, so most of the time you will go with line of business or Windows app Win32. Now I'll show you the line of business method. Now, when do we choose this? Understand this. Okay, so point number 1, deploy edge beta version. Deploy web link. Deploy line of LOB, line of business applications. Now, when do we choose this? We choose this option only when we have the following extension. Okay. So line of business application, we will choose only when we have following extension. What will be the extension? So the extension is MSI dot MSI dot MSI X, right? Then you have MSI bundle. Let me click on this. And line of business app, you see you have these options. So when you have a single file, also when you have a single file, then we choose this one. So when we choose this only when we have a single file. Okay. So we choose this option only when we have a single file. You know, when you downloaded an application from internet. Now the application has only one file, and the file extension is either MSI or .appx or .appx bundle or MSIX or MSIX bundle. Then only we choose this option. Otherwise, we don't choose this line of business method. We choose different method. Okay, so let's download a couple of applications. For example, download mremote ng. Now we have MSI stable version, preview and nightly. Let's go with the stable version. Now let me download 7-zip. Download 7-zip. And we will download the 64-bit version. Okay, we downloaded 64-bit version. Then I'm gonna download Teams for work. No, I don't need this Teams. Download Teams for work. I think we'll have to go to the second one, free Microsoft Teams. No, download Teams. Explore Teams for your business. I think this is the one. Teams for enterprise. Download Teams for work MSIX. (64-bit) MSIX. Yes, I downloaded the MSIX now. Okay, so you see we have downloaded Teams, 7-zip and mremote. There are 3 applications we have downloaded. We will also download the icons of these applications. So mremote logo. Save image as. Downloaded mremote. Now 7-zip logo. Okay, 7-zip. Now the last one, Teams logo. Save image as Teams. Okay, so we have downloaded the logos of these applications. Now let's verify whether we can use line of business or we cannot use. So when we go to the download folder, we have MSI. single file. Okay, we don't have any other file for this, single file. 7-zip, single file, right? Let me delete this. Now, MSIX, single file. Can we use line of business method? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So for all these three applications, we can use line of business method. Why? Because it's a single file. If we have more than one files, then we cannot use line of business method. So let's go ahead and then deploy. So we'll choose line of business method, right? And then select, and then I'm gonna select the app package file. So first of all, I'm choosing mremote. So download mremote ng. Okay. Mremote, you can give the name, description, publisher. For example, it's mremote itself. Okay. System level deployment. Ignore app version. So generally we ignore app version for browser kind of applications like Google Chrome or Firefox. Okay, but this is not a browser, right? So we will go with no. Now command line, this is very important, guys. Command line, what command line would you like to enter here? So the command line is by default, what is the MSI command line? Can anyone tell me? MSI default.
MSI exe space slash I.
So MSI exe dot exe slash I, right? And then file dot msi, then slash q n. Now this is the default command line. By default, this is gonna it's gonna use this command line to execute the installation. So what is our file? This is mremote file, right? This is the mremote application which we have downloaded. Now slash I means what? What do you mean by slash I? Can anyone tell me what is
In,
slash I?
installation. Installation.
Installation, right? Slash X, what is this?
Uninstallation.
Uninstallation, very good. Slash Q,
Quiet. Quiet installation.
quiet. Silent, to install or uninstall silently, to execute the command silently. Okay. Slash no restart. What is this for?
No disturb.
To suppress reboot. The
Reboot.
computer will not get restarted after the installation. Okay. Slash qn, which is there in the uh, default command. What do you mean by qn?
Quiet and non-restart?
Silent, no restart.
No restart, yes.
It's a short form. qn is the short form. Now we also need the log file because we don't have log file. So how do we get the log file? Can anyone tell me? Hmm? Subhajit, log file
Log
Slash
file.
log,
slash
log.
log. No. You see, if you would like to know the command lines for MSI, you can simply go to CMD and type in MSI exec and hit enter. That's going to give you the list of commands which MSI supports. So we are using slash I. Slash I is for install, right? Then we have slash X. Slash X is for uninstall. Slash quiet, right? Slash quiet, no restart. Quiet mode, passive, right? Then we have the short form. Then restart, no restart. N for no UI, not it's not no restart. It's no UI. So when we choose QN, that means quiet and no user interface. Okay. Restart, no restart. Prompt restart, force restart. Log, we will choose /L, and then we have multiple options here. We will use V for the location. Where will you put the output? As you see, verbose output. Okay, then we have update. Then we have repair. Okay. So let's add the log file here. So L*V. That means log. L means log file. Star means *V means the location, the output. The log output. Okay. /log you can also use /log, but generally we use this one. Okay. Now, so let's go ahead and type in the command line. So we would like to suppress no restart, suppress the restart. So we don't want the computer to get restarted, and I would like to get the log file L*V C:/Windows/temp/mremote-ng install.log. Okay, you have to make sure the folder exists already. If this folder does not exist, the log file will not get created. Okay, so you need to make sure the folder exists already. C Windows, C:/Windows temp, and the log file will be mremote-ng. Now category. So you can choose any category of your choice. Then logo. Next. Now, would you like to make it available or required? I'll go with available. mremote is deployed in available mode. Let me add 7-zip now. Line of business, select. Download 7-zip. Device level. Okay. Now log file /no restart. Then /L*V and then C:/Windows/temp/7-zip install.log. Okay, /no restart /L*V C Windows temps. Okay, and then we will add the logo of that application.
Desktop.
Oh, desktop, sorry. Now, when you go next, you have only required option. You cannot deploy in available mode. So there are some applications which will not allow you to put it in available mode. So then in that case, you cannot use line of business. You will have to use Windows Win32 method. Okay. So here it says required and uninstall. So I'll go with the required one. So add group, and then we will go with the Windows 10 device group. Next, finish. Now we would like to deploy Teams application. Teams. Line of business method, and then select. Teams application is in MSIX. It's in different format, guys. MSIX. Okay, so I'll choose that. Okay, and then category, productivity, rest everything will be default. Logo. Now, would you like to make it available or required? I'll go with required mode installation. So Windows 10 plus I'll make it available as well in case if it needs to be repaired, we can repair it from company portal. Okay. So we have deployed it to available and required mode together. As you see. Okay, so it's still pending. We'll have to wait for some more time because it's uploading Teams application. So our application will get installed in some time. Are you guys clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So this is only for MSI
Sorry?
format.
Sorry?
This line of witness is only applicable for MSI file.
MSI, MSIX. You see, I gave you the information already. APPX bundle, and MSIX bundle. These four formats,
So it's not applicable
5
for
formats.
EXE.
No, not EXE. You cannot deploy EXE from this one. For EXE, you will have to use the Win32 method, which we will see tomorrow. Understood, guys?
Yes.
Yes.
So let's see whether that application is getting installed or not. So apps, which application? Yeah, Amazon, you see, beta, Edge browsers. So let's see what happens with Edge. Edge is already present on this machine. Okay, Edge is already there. But what happens with when we install Edge? Let's see whether we will have this Edge or it will change to beta. I don't know. So I'll go to help and about Microsoft Edge. Okay, so this is the Microsoft. Let me take the photo of this one. Okay, I've taken the photo. So we will see what happens when the Edge beta will get installed on this
So
machine.
1 second, sir. Let me just move it.
Hmm.
Okay. Okay.
Install. Can I click on this install?
Yes. Yes. Go ahead.
Okay. Let's see. But generally we don't install beta. Beta is for developers, which is there in preview mode. We go with the stable one only. It's doing something. Installing.
Can we do multiple installs?
Let's see what happens. I've not tried it. Generally we go with stable. So we have beta on the desktop. Okay. Let me go to the control panel, app.wiz.cpl. Microsoft Edge beta is installed. Okay. 16th. Today is 16th for you. Yes. So that got installed. Beta 1. And you see the beta is right here. And in the company portal, it got installed. Okay. Now, let me open Edge browser and see if we have a different thing here. Let me check my photo. Okay. Microsoft Edge for Business 128.
This is
Okay,
not the
it's the
beta one.
same screen. Huh?
This is not the beta
Is
one.
it different one?
Yes.
I think it's keeping both.
Skipping both?
Seems like that.
Can you?
Yeah. So this is the beta one, and let me just open the other one.
Wait.
Okay.
Yeah, I think it is. Um, it's installing both of them side by side. Let's see. It's 129. And the other one is 128. Okay. But yeah, beta. Okay. It has beta here at the left-hand side. Got it? But the other one does not have beta. The one which is there in the taskbar. It's not have the. So I think it has both of them side by side. Okay. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes. Yes.
And beta will always be on a higher version. Okay. Stable will be on the lower version and beta will be on the higher version. So beta is 129, version is 129, and the stable is 128. Okay. Now coming back to the company portal, and let's go back to home, and we'll install Amazon now. Okay. So install. So what will happen at the left hand side? You will have Amazon URL. I mean shortcut. Okay. Amazon shortcut will come up here. You see 7-zip got installed successfully because we deployed it in forceful manner. 7-zip installed here. Okay. And we will check the log file of 7-zip. But before I check the log file, let me see if Teams is installed or not. Teams, no, Teams is not installed. So you'll have to wait for some more time. Either you wait for some more time or you can synchronize the policy so that it is gonna install Teams application because we deploy Teams in forceful manner. Okay, so it has both edge. Okay, so Amazon is now installed. So where is Amazon? Let's see. Okay, I don't see Amazon. You will have Amazon here. Yeah, there you go. Amazon. Let me click on that. And that's the shortcut. Okay. So it is taking you to that portal. Now Teams application, let's see if Teams is installed or not. Teams, not yet. Mhm. Now let's check the log file for 7-zip. Okay. So 7-zip log file will be there in C, Windows, inside Windows, temp. Inside temp, we have 7-zip log file. You see 7-zip install. This is the log file which we have given. And that is showing up that it got installed successfully. Let's see. You see installation. You see installation completed successfully. Okay. So that's the log file. Let's see whether M remote is showing up or not. Yes, M remote is also showing up. Teams is taking some more time to install. So hopefully that will get installed within 5-10 minutes. Now why we have red icon here? The Windows Notepad is failed to install. Okay. Failed to install. This app is required or this app is required. Okay. You deployed it in forceful manner. So what you can do, you can simply go to apps here, Windows Notepad, which we don't need, delete. Okay. So we have deployed these applications and applications are installing fine. So Teams application will also get installed. Now your assignment, you need to deploy some applications. So I'm gonna give you the assignment. So tinyurl.com/links for MECM. Now what all applications you have to install? MSI1. Okay, so Notepad. Till WinSCP. Now I'm gonna put it here on the Notepad. Now those which are exe, I'm gonna delete them. I think rest all of them are MSI except the last one, WinSCP. Now those applications which are already done, you don't have to deploy it again. For example, Firefox, you have already done it. Okay. Global Protect is already done. 7-zip, it's already done. mremote, done. Okay, so I have given you a list of some applications: Notepad, Wireshark, WinZip, FileZilla, mremote, 7-zip, AnyConnect, Global Protect, Firefox, Putty, RDCM, Google Chrome, Skype, and Skype. So these are the applications, and these all applications are MSI applications. Okay, so assignment: deploy below MSI applications in available or required mode. Okay, and send a screenshot. So you have to deploy these applications in available or required mode, and you need to send me the screenshot on WhatsApp group. Any question? Anyone?
Hi, Kashif. I'm getting an error in VirtualBox when I'm trying to open it.
Okay.
Should I show it?
Any other question? Any question related to today's session?
No.
No,
Toby,
we are good.
Rehan,
No, no.
Himaja.
Right now we are good.
No, Kash.
Okay, guys. Let me stop the recording. Now